How to download to install Songs of Conquest on Epic Games. Free sale ends 06/11/2026. Install Epic Games Launcher. Open your web browser. Visit the Epic Games website. Download the Epic Games Launcher. Run the installer. Complete the installation. Launch Epic Games Launcher. 2. Sign in to your Epic Games account. Open Epic Games Launcher. Click Sign In. Enter your Epic Games account details. Complete any verification steps. Wait for the launcher to load completely. Nasher 3. Search for Songs of Conquest. Click the Store tab. Use the search bar. Type Songs of Conquest. Select the game from the search results. Open the game's store page. Number 4. Claim the free offer. Verify that the game is marked as free. Click Get. Review the order summary. Click Place Order. Wait for the confirmation message. Number 5. Add the game to your library. After claiming the game, open Library, locate Songs of Conquest, confirm it appears in your game library. Select the game. Number 6. Start the installation. Click Install. Choose an installation location. Select your preferred options. Click Install. Wait for the download to begin. 7. Check available storage space. Open File Explorer. Verify sufficient free disk space. Free up space if necessary. Resume the installation if it pauses. 8. Monitor download progress. Stay connected to the internet. Keep Epic Games Launcher open. Allow the download to complete. Wait for installation verification. Avoid interrupting the process. Number 9. Launch Songs of Conquest. Open Library. Select Songs of Conquest. Click Launch. Allow any first-time setup processes. Wait for the game to start. 10. Keep the game forever. Ensure the game was claimed before the free offer expires. Verify it remains in your Epic Games library. You can uninstall and reinstall later. The game stays linked to your account permanently. Enjoy playing whenever you want.